guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be planning in my Hobonichi weeks, and we're going to be planning for the week of September the 14th to the 20th. I'm going to be using this stunning kit from Simply Beautiful Plans, and it's copper foil, and you can see it's absolutely beautiful. You have two sets of bottom washi with this kit, which is really nice because you could actually do two full spreads. The second one obviously without the date covers, but it would still look pretty if you use foiled date dots. Also with the kit comes some sidebar stuff, you know, to do your work, your meal plan this week, next week clean, and some really pretty deco to use with it. I'm also going to be bringing in some functionals, rose gold foil functionals from Winterfield Studios. You'll find down below my code for the shop. It's Jody, and it's for 20% off. Winterfield Studios is in my PGU sale collab, which starts Friday. So you'll want to check that out if you go to follow the link below down to PGO sale collabs on Instagram. You'll find the code being released on Friday. So Winterfield Studios is in it, and it's 30% off for her shop. And Simply Beautiful Blends is also in the sale, and her shop will be 25% off. So you make sure you want to check them out. So they've got some great freebies. Speaking of freebies, this is my freebie with Simply Beautiful Plans. It's in copper foil for fall, and you can receive this by putting Jody in notes when you do order from Simply Beautiful Plans. My code is JodyCake, and it's for 15% off. So now that I've done the public service announcements, let's get into planning. That was a long entry. Or intro, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to lay the bottom washi down. I hope you're all having a great week. I'm filming a little bit late this week. I have been busy getting stuff ready for the plans, or the sale, so it takes up a lot of my time. And of course, enjoying the beautiful days that we have left of the sunshine and the warmth before fall hits. It's fastly upon us, or quickly. Ah, geez, I ripped it. It's quickly upon us. Let's see if I can halfway get this down straight. This planner is getting so chunky that it's hard to lay stickers down properly in it now. Okay, there we go. After I butchered the page, that's down. So I planned in this Hobonichi when I was doing the channel more last year before I stopped filming, which you all know I did. And I used the Hobonichi a lot more in those videos. I thought I would bring it in. I have so many beautiful kits that I can use from Simply Beautiful Plans and Winterfield Studios. I thought I should showcase it before the planner is over, because I think I'm going to exclude this from my lineup next year and maybe do PP Weeks B6, because it's kind of small, and I notice a lot of shops are stopping making kits for it. So I'm thinking I might just go ahead and switch to the PP Weeks B6. I'll be able to get regular kits for that. And much more room in my format. Well, maybe not. I don't have the sidebar, the stuff here, but I use it just for weather and day-to-day, so I could still use the PP Weeks and use it for the same function. I'm just going to put these boxes in, and I track my meals in these boxes. I used to track weather right beside it. Apparently my mouth's not working today. I used to track weather right beside it, but now I've brought them over to this side because, mainly because of this kit, or these kits from Simply Beautiful Plans, because they have the most beautiful theme boxes. And I like to include them and also to use these because it makes use of the kit, and it gives me much more planning functionality with this planner. As you can see, the paper is very unforgiving. It tears very easily. Probably if I wasn't such a manhandling the stickers, I would be, wouldn't rip it as much. But I do love the planner. The new ones have just come out. Everybody's all excited for ordering the new colors. And all the different styles from the Weeks to the Cousins. And I think there's an A5 one as well. There's so many really great planners. Oops, what did I do there? Jeepers. Totally off the boat on that one. There's so many great planners on the market now. With everybody kind of getting away from using the EC. A lot more shops have thrown their hands into their hat into the rings to create kit planners to use instead. I'm also going to put the habit tracker down. It's nice because I can track 3 different habits with it. And generally I do healthcare habits. Track my vitamins, my medication, and whether or not I'm getting the right amount. Boy, that's crooked. Whether I'm getting, whether I'm getting the right amount of water. Boy, I kicked my stand and the whole bit. Apparently this is a train wreck of a plan with me. So I learned today that, or last night, that my grandbabies won't be able to go out for Halloween trick-or-treating this year. That is so sad. I know that a lot of kids are going to be really disappointed because of that. I think I'm going to use the really big one. Not everything needs to be perfect to still be wonderful. And that's true. Uh-oh, maybe I can't get it off. There we go. It was cut kind of deep on a few spots. There. Takes up a lot of space, but it looks really pretty. And let me get this week one out. Lay that down. Try and get it straight. And then we'll do next week. Let's put some of this really pretty deco down as well. Where did I put the sheet? There it is. They're cut just a little too deep. There we go. I got it off. I wonder if I can fit that. Oh, I can. Put that there. That's the nice thing about Amy's kits. She includes this really pretty deco. That's the big thing for planners these days, is using a lot of deco. They're using them for layering pieces. You know, it looks really pretty. Maybe add one more. Maybe not. It's just too much. Maybe stop while I'm ahead, right? Okay. So let's get some functional stuff down. Monday is Coffee Monday. I'm using the little coffee cups from Winterfield Studios. And I put that right there. Oops, no, maybe not that far over, so I can put my weather icons. There we go. These are so pretty. I love the little steam coming off of the top of them, and you can get them in rose gold, gold, and silver. Thursdays I do groceries, so I'm going to take these little scripts. She has different scripts available. So put the groceries in there. Sunday I do laundry, so put the little washing machine in. She's got a cleaning sheet. Again, rose silver and rose gold. I'm running out of it, out of the ones I use all the time. So that's Sunday. And Sundays I also call my mother every Sunday. And so these are the telephone icons as well, gold, silver, and rose gold. So I think that's it. That's all I have. Maybe I'll put the weekend banner in. I don't always use it, but I'll put the weekend banner in today. Put it right in the middle. So that's it today, short and sweet. I think it turned out really pretty. Lots of foil. I love it. I probably can't catch the foiling in my lights, but anyway, thank you for coming. Make sure to check out both the shops, Winterfield Studios and Simply Beautiful Plans. Once again, they're in the PGU sale this weekend, and the links for the shops will be down below. Also, the link to the PGU sale will be down below as well. Check out the Facebook group for the PGU sale because the shops are posting specials and freebies and whatnot there, and so you won't want to miss that. Anyway, take care. Have a great day. Thanks for visiting. Make sure you hit like and subscribe so that you'll know when my next videos come along, and the likes help my channel. So that's it for today. Bye.